It's time to harvest the beets. We have so many things ready to be harvested, and beets are one of them.
Up in the hills of northwest Arkansas, Brian and Kathy got a spread so grand. 15 acres, roads running deep, then a little slice in Oklahoma land. Retired and ready, no time to sit still. Took a chainsaw to some oak and pine, milled up shells for the root cellar cool. Life was good, feeling mighty fine. Oh, sawmill and brewery, dust in the air, turning logs into dreams beyond compare. From Tornado down to board stack high, Brian's got the mill, Kathy's got the why. Sawmill and brewery, hear that blade sing, building sheds and tiny homes, living the dream. Subscribe and ring the bell, don't you be late for the next big cut on the YouTube game. Then they rolled in with a twister's roll. 63 trees laid flat on the floor. What could have broke them, made them think twice? Time to level up, yeah, pay the price. Woodland Mills HM12-2, 9.5 horses strong. Band's all humming a brand new song. Pine and oak, cherry too, cut 'em square, straight and true. Oh, sawmill and prairie, sawdust and sweat, lumber drying in the stack, no regrets. From chainsaw days to the big mill roar, tiny home rising, can't ask for more. Sawmill and prairie, it's a family thing. Brian runs the saw, Kathy pulls the string. Hit that bell, join the crew, come along for the next adventure in this lumber song. We built a shed with our own two hands, boards we milled from Oklahoma lands. Tiny homes next, framed up and waiting, more projects calling, no time for hesitating. Maybe someday we'll brew a batch or two, cold one after the sawing's through. Cause life's too short not to cut and create. Sawmill and brewery, that's our fate. Oh, sawmill and brewery, from fallen tree to home, turning storm to story, no more alone. Brian and Kathy out there making it real, with a woodland mill, a whole lot of feel. Sawmill and brewery, raise a glass to the simple life we all can afford. Subscribe today, hit that notification bell. Sawmill and brewery, come ring that spell. From Garvee, Arkansas, to the Oklahoma way, Brian and Kathy are milling every day. See y'all in the next video.
Ruby Queen, Bull's Blood, and sugar beets.